So what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 29th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Glucomimetics, stock symbol GLYC. It is up today 134% or 22 cents, trading at 39 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 527 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. So you could safely say this is the most desirable stock on the market right now, with 500 million shares traded in the first 90 minutes. I mean, that's a record probably. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, this is most definitely a pharmaceutical company because the first part of the name is comes from glucose. So they're probably dealing maybe with some diabetes, treatments or something like that. I'm not sure, but the main thing is that it's a typical pharmaceutical penny stock that is not being really traded much. It stays very quiet, hovers around like very low price. In case of Glucomimetics, it was hovering around 10 or 20 cents for the last 6 months. Then suddenly some kind of news arrived and the stock is going up like crazy, up 132% with over 500 million shares traded. That means whatever they released was so major that the whole market paid attention and is now trying to get a piece of it. So if I were you, I would definitely check out the news, see what's going on there, and possibly put some money into it. So Glucomimetics, stock symbol GLYC, only 39 cents a share. Next one is BioKey International, stock symbol BKYI. It is up today 78% or 54 cents, trading at $1.24. Since this morning, it already traded 103 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $6 million. So this is another pharmaceutical penny stock based on the word bio in its name. And what can I tell you about this stock? The stock was basically used to trade around $2. Then I guess they didn't provide any major results, so it was crashing. Then there was some kind of news that came out basically on September 11th, which shot the stock from 90 cents to $2.40. But then the price couldn't hold, so it collapsed from 240, go back to like 50 cents. So some kind of news arrived today. It was major. It is producing a huge amount of volume, meaning that the market is interested in that stock. And if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they injected into the market to make everybody so excited. And if it's something that sounds solid and promising for the future revenue and profits of the company, maybe you should consider putting your money in, because 6 months ago, this thing, but not 6 months ago, just on September 11th, it was $2.40. If you get in right now at $1.25, I mean, you could almost double your money. But you have to take a look at the news and do your own due diligence. So, BioKey International, stock symbol BKYI, only $1.24 a share. Next one is Lixter Biotechnology Holdings. It is stock symbol LIXT. It is up today 70% or 92 cents, trading at $2.23. Since this morning, it already traded 26 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So this is another pharmaceutical penny stock based on the word biotechnology. So same thing with this company as before. It was hovering around, I would say, around $2.50 for the last 6 months. It wasn't really traded much. Nobody cared about the stock, so the stock collapsed all the way to like $1.20 or even lower. So some news arrived today, and finally it produced a huge boost to the shares which went up 66% on 26 million share volume, which is a record volume for the stock. So again, they probably released some kind of positive, maybe positive results for the clinical trials. Maybe they're getting approval for the medication. But the main thing is that when these pharmaceutical companies are close to, finally getting that medication for some kind of disease, that's when stock explodes. Before that, nobody cares, because unless you hit something, you're worth almost nothing. So, and Elixir Biotechnology probably hit something very special, and now the stock is basically going through the roof. So take a look at the company and maybe put some money into it. Elixir Biotechnology Holdings, stock symbol LIXT, only $2.13 a share. Next one is Profire Energy, stock symbol PFIE. It is up today 46% or 80 cents, trading at $2.51. Since this morning, it already traded 27 million shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $150 million. So this is probably not a pharmaceutical company, because it has the word energy and fire. So I don't know what they do. Maybe they created new type of, I don't know, fire logs for your fireplace. But I mean, I'm just kidding. But the main thing is, the stock was kind of an unknown stock. For the last 6 months, it was trading around $1.50, plus minus a few cents. And when I say trading, it's an overstatement, because basically the stock was, barely traded, maybe a few hundred shares a day. So today's volume of 27 million shares kind of tells you that everything changed. Whatever the news they released today was so major that it, first of all, created a record volume and also a pretty big push in stock price of 46%. Which means that there's a lot of new buyers are coming in, and they're increasing demand for those shares. So, and that's why we have this huge jump in shares, in price of the shares, and also in the trading volume. So, and plus the name of the company is kind of interesting, Profire Energy. I would like to find out what they do. So, and by the way, you could find it inside of my app. If you download it through this website, PNNY.APP, the app is called Penny Gems. That's the one I'm using right now for this video. So, oh yeah, and by the way, I wrote this app, so it's not like I'm advertising for somebody else. I'm advertising my work, and I stay by my work. So if you would like to enjoy some interesting advice, maybe you should download it. Again, Penny.app. So, Profire Energy, stock symbol PFIE, only $2.52 a share. Next one is Shuttle Pharmaceuticals Holdings, stock symbol SHPT. It is up 27% or 365 cents or 36 cents, trading at $1.70. Since this morning, it already traded 49 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $7 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Another penny stock pharmaceutical company, because the word pharmaceuticals is inside of its name. I just don't know what the word shuttle means. I mean, are they trying to make medications for space, for like going to, I don't know, Mars or something? I don't know. I'm kidding, but it's just a funny name. Shuttle Pharmaceuticals, like pharmaceuticals for a shuttle, right? So the main thing is, it used to trade around $4. Then it collapsed like all the way to $1. Nobody was trading it. I guess it didn't have any good results. So finally, some kind of positive news arrived yesterday and today, and it's pushing the stock right now. Not that much, 27%, but pretty big volume of 49 million shares, which is a record volume for this. And if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there. So Shuttle Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol SHPT, only $1.70 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, Penny.app, and download my app called Penny Gems. It covers 2,000 penny stocks, and you will always know what are the best stocks to invest in every day. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.